All right, welcome to today's video. I have my mail truck here and it's supposed to be a roller, but my tires are flat. So I bought some new tires, and with the new tires, I got to put them on. And since I'm super cheap, I'm mounting them by myself in my backyard. So hope you guys enjoy watching an old man struggle doing tires all by hand. Let's go. All right, so whew, I got all four tires changed out. They're aired up. It's a roller again. She moves easily. Like I said, all I want to do is get something done today so you can see old people can do stuff too. In their backyard, no machines, just a few tools. Changed out tires. I'm going inside to get a drink. It's hot. It's like 116 today. Go do your own thing. Have fun.